boys and girls. So finally have a clear day in Dingle. It's not raining, so I'm gonna show you around the town. It's a really small beach town, a really cool vibe, very nice people, some of the nicest people I've ever met in my life. I'm gonna show you the top spots to go in Dingle, in my opinion. Top food, coffee, and bars. So let's go. One of my favorite spots here in Dingle for breakfast. Has really good breakfast and really good coffee. Definitely hit my boy Blue up. There's another top spot we're going to called Pantry, which is right next to where I stayed, the Grapevine hostel, which is really a perfect location to stay in Dingle. But if you're in Dingle, hit up my boy Blue. Great breakfast spot, great coffee, and just a really cool vibe. Let's go to Pantry. So walking through Dingle now, I'm headed over to Pantry, my second favorite food place in Dingle. What's up guys? So I'm at my boy Donald's place. Being in Dingle, it's pretty much one of the only early places to get some coffee or food in Dingle. Check it out. I've been grabbing coffee, maybe a cinnamon roll, pastry or something like that in the morning. Check it out. So this is where I stayed, Grapevine Hostel. It's actually a pretty nice hostel. It's in a really good location. You're next to some of the top bars, some of the top places to eat. I would definitely stay at the Grapevine Hostel if I were to do it again. Definitely check this place out. It's close to the Pantry, which is one of the top breakfast spots here, and it's close to my top 3 favorite bars here. So let's check it out. Hey. So behind me I have Dingle Pub. I went here for 2 nights. It's definitely a cool bar to go to. Definitely jump over here around 7:30 to 9:30, and then you have a couple bars that you can bounce to after that. But Dingle Pub is definitely a pub that you can't miss out on. I would definitely go here. It's always lively, always a good crowd. Definitely check out Dingle Pub. What's up people? So behind me is Dick Mac's Pub. Definitely check this place out. I would go to Dingle Pub first, then Dick Mac's, then the late night spot. But definitely check Dick Mac's out. Super cool pub.
And then I was looking at hey, some guy just kicked me out. And then, yeah,